Hey guys, you are continuing on with this video course on making your own music video. And I just make it easy. I'm Bruce Chamoff. And if you have any comments or questions, just leave them in the comments below. Thumb up this video and subscribe to my channel. Here we go. Okay, so let me tell you guys, this is the only camera you need. An HD camera on a mobile device is it, okay? You do not need, and I'll stress this again, you do not need any expensive camera equipment. No video cams, no TV cameras, nothing that's, thousands of dollars, okay? You probably already have a modern mobile device, a smartphone, or if your iPad or your tablet already has a camera, this is it. The only thing that I tell you, that I advise, is that you need to make sure that your mobile device is set for HD, okay, which is 1280 by 720, or they call that 720p, okay, because that will make it HD and make it like 1,000 times more professional. So make sure you have that setting. Now, I'll say this, on the iPhone, basically, from what I understand, the camera on the iPhone, the front-facing camera, well, actually, I'll say it's the back-facing camera, okay, is 1280 by 720. So if somebody actually starts filming you, you automatically have that really cool HD look, okay? But if you do a selfie, like, hey, I'm singing, okay, and I'm singing, we're doing a selfie, and I'm singing in my selfie, that dimension on the iPhone is 1920, I'm trying to remember this, 1920 by 1080. That's also known, if you've seen this in video programs, as 1080i. Okay, it is full HD. The only problem with this particular dimension is that it takes a lot more disk space, takes a lot longer to load for slower computers if they're watching on YouTube. Okay, so I think that the high def, the 1280 by 720 or the 720p is perfect. Okay. The other thing too is on the Android. I do want to tell you that with the Android, you have different settings. So you just have to go into your camera settings and change the settings. Okay. And I'm not sure how it works on other phones, but make sure you have 1280 by 720, and you'll get nice quality and clarity on your videos. And that's pretty much it. But I do want to say, when you are recording, you want footage, footage, footage. Take tons of footage, okay? Don't just film yourself singing into a selfie, okay? If you want to clear your throat, like I want to clear my throat, you want to do something like that, you can do it, as long as it matches what you're doing in the music, okay? But take tons of footage. Take yourself from this angle, take yourself from that angle, okay? I have a rapper on Pianoland. I have 3 different pieces of footage, and then we go back and forth. I'll show you how to do that. We got one of him walking in the street, one of him on my porch, and one of him in front of the microphone, like this microphone over here. Let me bring this to you. This microphone right over here, which is a USB mic, okay? I'm also, you'll notice in the video that I'm also on a USB mic, and I have my P-Popper here. I get that studio recording, that recording studio quality, like I'm in the studio. And I was. This really pretty much is a recording studio, okay? But I like that. I wanted that for Pianoland. But you can download clips. I'll show you how to do that. But when you're making your own footage of you singing or playing the guitar or the drums, people in your band, make sure you get tons of angles of them. And I can guarantee you're not going to use them all. In the Pianoland video, I have myself in like a fluorescent room in one of those indoor golf, miniature golf places. I have myself walking in the woods. I didn't use that footage. But it doesn't matter. Get it, because you might find a reason to use those. And I just didn't, I didn't see a reason to. I wanted that whole recording studio look. All right, so that's pretty much it. Again, I'm going to say this. I can't stress this enough. Footage, footage, footage. Take tons of footage. Okay? See you in the next video. And again, keep recording.